You are here today because you believe, and I believe, that everyone, no matter their background, has value. This group of individuals are not only uniquely abled, they are uniquely gifted, they are uniquely intelligent, and they are uniquely talented.
You were determined not to let the class make the best of you, and the improvements were seen right away.
We supported you, but you did the work. You had to go through an abrupt transition from whatever you were doing to an intense 5-day-a-week, all-day program that exercised and tested your mental and physical abilities. And you made it.